Attention viewers, this video is not intended for kids. What's up everyone? I hope that life is treating you well. Here's another how to assemble video. In this video, I am going to show you guys how to assemble an Action Base 2. As a reminder, I will have the timestamp or time codes in the description of the video for each of the steps that will be shown. You guys can use them to skip around to any section for your needs. Also, I will have the corresponding text for all the pieces needed to complete each of the steps. So before I get started with step number 1, let's first go over the hardware that you would need. A Phillips head screwdriver, the supply screws and nuts. So you were given 3 nuts and 4 screws. Now these screws has 2 different lengths, 8mm and 12mm. And to make the installation easier, I put the nut on it first, and the flat side of the nut is the opposite of the screw head. Step 1. Number 5. Number 1. Okay, pay attention. Number 1 right here. You want these ridges right here, opposite of these 3 bar right here. Number 4. And number 4 is going to go into the slit right here. And then for the hardware, so the screw that you would need for this is the shorter of the 2 sizes. And for me, I like to put the flat side here into number 5 right here, like so. 1 finger right there, and then unscrew it. So it doesn't fall out. Step 2. Number 3. Number 13. Just going to go on like so. Now this position is unlock, and then this position is lock. So we're going to unlock it first from step 1. Now the side with these ridges right here, it's going to be facing the locking mechanism right now. Like so. Number 2. And then these ridges are going to face the opposite direction of this locking mechanism. So this is unlock, and then lock. Step 3. Number 17, number 12. And you want the X from number 12 to face towards you. From step 2. And the ridges right here is going to face number 12. Number 16. And you do need a screw. This screw is going to be the longer of the 2 sizes, and the flat side of the nut is going to go onto number 17, like so. 1 finger to hold it into position. Step 4. number 6, number 10, number 7, and you will need a nut and screw for this. So the length is, there's only 2 sizes that's available, so pick the longer length, and I'm going to have the flat face of the nut onto number 7. One finger behind. Step 3. Number 19, 2 of these. Number 18. Okay, now put them together. Step 5. So before I finish off with step 5, let's take a look at the holder that's available for the Action Base 2. So here we have the U-shape holder, number 14 and number 15 of different sizes. Next, these are the peg holder, number 8 and number 9 of different shapes. And then here, I'm going to call this a peg holder as well. This is number 11, and it does require a screw to use, and you do have that supply for you. So here is the illustrations for the types of holder available for the Action Base 2. Over here is the peg holder with the hardware installed. And here is the other 2 peg type holder with different shapes. And then the U-shape holder over here. So to finish off step 5, I'm going to use my U-shape holder, and you guys are welcome to use whichever holder that you prefer, and this is number 14 for me. That's pretty much finished. Now let's check out some movement. You can move it sideways for the holder here, and then increase the length of the arm here, and then the angle. Congratulations, you are now finished with the Action Base 2. Thank you for joining in. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any suggestions or questions for me, go ahead and leave them in the comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, have a great hunt.